Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Chevy Trax LT all-wheel drive, stock number Z8426XA. 16,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, crimson metallic in color. This Trax was previously GM certified, giving you the balance of a 4-year, 48,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, along with a 6-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with a removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors. With driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio control so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect mobile media devices, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and a spacious glove box with all under the hood. This Trax has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon and a city average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.